होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today for our Business Opportunity of a Chai webinar series. I, Archana Sharma, along with the entire team of Franchise India, welcomes you to our Sunday edition of this webinar series. Franchise India is totally an investor-focused company, which is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the business solutions and suggestions from our side. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us, because we have helped more than 5,000 international and national brands to expand their business with our 80 plus offices. With this introduction, may I invite management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, to talk about our different initiatives and programs for each one of you. The brand, we are also today here to digitally represent the brand Andhariki Ayurveda. But unfortunately, the brand owner is not able to join us today due to some unforeseen reasons. And we invite Sonia ma'am to talk about this particular brand.
It's a very good afternoon to all of you. Unfortunately, we had some emergency at the brand's place, and there was a demise in the family, which we got to know only a while back. So we'll quickly run you through the presentation and the business opportunity overall in this category, and we'll also have a separate session if you wish to have one-on-one discussion with the brand. We'll seek maybe a time in the coming week where brand can spend time based on his availability after he comes out of the emergency which is currently being faced by him. So we'll talk about this opportunity. This is a company called Andhariki Ayurvedam. It is based out of South India, and we'll cover the three aspects. We'll give you an overview of the industry, the business. We'll talk about the proposition and the formats for franchise. And friends, just to give an overview of the industry overall, if you look at Ayurveda, this is the wisdom which has been passed down thousands of years and which has been used to treat diseases and ailments as they have been giving long and lasting results. And Ayurveda also analyzes and cure diseases after understanding individuals' body type, heartbeat patterns, appearances, vision, and many other criteria they take into consideration. And if we talk about India as a industry, India is second largest exporter of Ayurveda and alternate medicines in the world, with the biggest markets like Western Europe, Russia, and USA, where these products are being exported. And today, because the consumer is very aware, they're also rejecting a lot of chemical laden skincare products, embracing Ayurvedic alternatives. And India is also known for its traditional medicine systems, which is Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani. And there's a big lineage of Ayurveda in the country, and also health enhancing products in a natural way, especially because they build a lot of immunity in your body. So the company that we're talking about has combined its learning and experience of more than 40 years to build these products and therapies, which has both, I would say, ancient systems and also Ayurvedic science. It is a company which was formed while in the year 1996 by Dr. Raja Rajnath, and he's a renowned Ayurvedic thought leader who has continued the legacy of Dr. Venkat Rao, and who was popularly known as the Maharishi of Ayurveda. And they started their journey 40 years ago by conducting these weekly medical camps, by going to various locations and curing ailments. So as of today, this company runs about 70 odd stores, and they also have their own research and development facility, and also have a manufacturing unit where all these medicines are manufactured, which is in a place called Madhupur in Hyderabad. So we'll talk about franchisee-owned, franchisee-operated model, and we'll talk about two formats which the company is offering. One is a standalone pharmacy store, and the other is a format which will also have both pharmacy as well as the clinic, which will do diagnostic. So starting with it, so this particular slide explains overall, which I've already given an overview. So Ayurveda is a conjunction of, it's obviously originating from Sanskrit, which means life, and Veda means knowledge. So it is a combination of two. And like I mentioned, it helps in treatment of diseases, problems through alternate medicines. Next slide, please. And these are some of the benefits, which Ayurveda and we all have in our homes, even while we use other treatments. But this is one treatment which goes parallelly along with other treatments that anyone takes to build immunity or even to cure these diseases. So what the company would bring in is they'll bring holistic Ayurvedic solutions. They will also assist in setting up of the treatment centers. They will bring the entire technical knowledge, know-how. They will also help in bringing medicines, which is from the cultivation of not only plants, but these are medicinal plants which are being used to create these medicines. And also the foundation is promotion of Ayurvedic knowledge, and they will also provide Ayurvedic treatment and therapy training. So a franchise partner will also be trained on the entire treatment, how that is imparted, along with the therapy training, where all your therapists at the center would be trained by the company. Next slide, please. So as I mentioned, they have these products which are extracts of 25 years of extensive experience of Ayurveda knowledge and research on various medicinal plants, which the company has done. And as we said, it is a holistic treatment which has, gone back thousands of years, and it works wonders for human body, but also helps in spiritual healing. It is not just a healing of your physical body, but these kind of treatments that tried and tested, they also bring a lot of spiritual healing. And they will also do treatments which will include naturopathy, Ayurveda, which comparatively are safer, they're more effective, I would say. And at the same time, they're more economical than many of the treatments that we undertake in our day-to-day life to cure many ailments and diseases. And also, they are a part and parcel of a healthy lifestyle or a healthy living. This is what the company is promoting. Next slide, please. So very briefly, these are the various services which the company would provide. So on the left-hand side, you see these are all online consultation services. So it has an omni-channel presence, I would say. So apart from online, they would still have these physical stores and centers, but they're also adding, as a franchise proposition, they're adding online consultations as a service to their client. They will also add diagnostic, which can also be done through online consultations, and also medicine delivery, which will be integrated online. So all these three services will have integration of online consultation services, where your consultation, initial diagnostic, and also medicine delivery can be handled through online channel. And then there is a center which is Ayurvedic Spa Center, which would be a part of the clinic that would be. And on the right hand side, you can see some of the images of the products and the packaging. So which includes tablets, they have medicines in liquid form. They also have products which are in powder form. And we'll also share maybe a complete catalog of the company, which can give you an overview of the various medicines and products they have. And they run about 70 stores already in the country. And we'll also help you sharing the locations where they currently operate. If you want to visit any of the centers, you can also do that. Next slide, please. So friend, this slide, further to this, we'll talk about what is the opportunity, what is the value proposition the company is offering, and we'll talk about the formats. We'll also talk about the profile of your prospective partners. Next slide, please. So there are two formats. This is a franchisee owned, franchisee operated model. So the two formats are, one is a pharmacy only, where you can only own and operate a small Ayurveda product, retail product, I would say, a pharmacy, which can be an area of almost 300 square feet. And the second format is clinic plus pharma. So this would be requiring a bigger area, which is about 1200 of square feet. So standalone will have all these products, which will have, which will be exclusive channel partner and product seller in the market. So what the company is proposing, when they set up a partner who will take care of an exclusive pharmacy store, he will also be treated as an exclusive channel partner, and he will also be responsible for selling the product in the market where he opens. And all the medicines which are provided, like we mentioned, the company has manufacturing capabilities. So all the medicines and products which are provided are coming from the production facilities of the company. It will have two kind of categories. One will be fast moving consumer good range. They'll have the entire range of FMCG product range. And the other would be OTC, which is over the counter product. So this all would become a part of the standalone pharmacy model. And the other is a clinic and pharma model. This would have four services. Apart from the standalone pharma, it will have consulting services. It will also have diagnostic. So these two, while can happen also online for people who would not be able to come at the center, but these services will also be part and parcel of the center. And all the therapies and treatments is where the clinic will undertake all these treatments. So I'll just tell once again. So clinic will include all the consulting services. Any kind of diagnostic that needs to be done will happen here. And third is a treatment, which is therapies that will happen at the outlet. And lastly, it will have medicines, OTCs, and FMCG product, which is part of your standalone pharmacy store. So you have a choice between operating a standalone store, and the other is where you have the entire services which are offered under the format. So on the right hand side, you can understand from this structure where the two formats include standalone pharmacy. And so pharmacy will sell only Ayurvedic medicines which are produced by the brand, and the Ayurvedic clinic, this will be a full-fledged clinic which will offer consultation, therapies, and entire medicines which are prescribed by the doctors. Next slide, please. So this is where we are. So overall, the pharmacy should be about 100 to 150 square feet. It can go up to even 300 square feet of space. And this is slide is little bit on the opportunity overall. So if you look at the Indian market, it is currently growing at a 14% year on year. And 75% of the overall Indian Ayurvedic industry is led by its product segment. So what we are proposing is the standalone pharmacy model is a great for first time investors in the industry, because one, it is not too heavy on the investment. And second, I would also say it does not need too much of experience and investment to do that. And most of the investment that one would do is primarily on the stock that one would keep at the pharmacy store. Next slide, please. So I think we've covered this slide. Next slide. So these are roles and responsibilities, friends. So we have defined the roles of the company, and this also defines the role of the franchise partner. So if you look at in the middle, on the left hand side, there are two big parameters which are given for a prospective franchisee. And if you see on the left scale, it says financial bandwidth. You know, while financial investment is important for somebody to own and operate the business, but this kind of business needs more operational capabilities. So you need the company is looking for investors who have more operational time and capabilities to run and operate the business. Because if somebody is putting the time, you have better operational efficiencies to run the business. While financial bandwidth is important, but more important for company to qualify is somebody who has operational time and capabilities to run. So on the extreme right, if you see, the company has defined the key roles and responsibilities of both the brand as well as the prospective partner. So first and foremost is, and we have divided that into 4 key roles. Any company has 4 key roles, which is, and if you see on the left hand side, right hand side rather, it's, so there are 4 fits and 4 roles which have been defined. One is strategic role, right? Second is operational role. Third is a marketing role, and fourth is financial. So these are 4 key roles which are important for any company to be integrated. And amongst these 4 roles, it is defined who leads between the brand and the franchisee. So when we talk about a strategic role, this is a role which primarily is taken care by the company. And typically strategic role would mean the entire setup, guidelines to set up, training of the teams, price points, stock, inventory level, and all the intelligence of the data which sits in the system is something which the company takes care of. And that is passed on to the franchisee. So what it says is they'll take care of the entire supply chain. The entire inventory planning is taken care by them because they know what works, what categories move faster, and there might be some slow moving products, some maybe high moving products. So based on their own intelligence of running these 70 stores and the location where you would open, the company will advise you on this inventory, and equally the price points which are only managed by the company, because they will have an omni channel presence through online as well as through physical stores. So all the price points will be something which will be completely manned by the company. Second key role is operations. And if you look at operations, store operation is the most critical element in running a franchise business. And especially when the business is a small unit, it is not a huge unit which has, which requires very specialized operational capabilities. So operational means entire store operations, last mile delivery, which means interaction with the client, fulfilling the needs of the client, and most important, I would say, which comes as a part of the operations, is customer experience. So customer experience is wholly responsibility with the franchise partner. Third is marketing. So marketing role, typically when companies look at marketing, they look at 2 sides of marketing. And one, marketing is generally done by the company, which could be at a regional level, maybe at or a national level, depending on where the company has their operations in. And the other level of marketing is something which is completely responsibility with the franchisee. Now, for example, if the company is running 70 stores and most of these stores are running in South, any kind of campaign which they're doing for the region of South is something which the company will take care of. And this can include both, I would say, digital and maybe print campaigns. But most of these campaigns today are done through digital platforms. But local marketing here, which is neighborhood marketing, what we call is local store marketing, that is complete responsibility with the franchisee. He would do that. Lastly is financials. What the company is proposing is, especially for a format which is a pharmacy, it is comparatively low investment model, and they have multiple format options. And when I say multiple format options, you can start as small as 100 square feet, it can go up to 300 square feet. And on the next slides, we'll also showcase you the ROI and the overall breakup of the investment. Next slide, please. Friends, if you look at this particular slide very closely, you can take a screenshot if you want to do that in-depth understanding of the breakup. So on this slide, we have defined the commercials for both the formats. Like I mentioned, it is a franchisee-owned, franchisee-operated business model. One is retail model, which is 300 square feet is what we have given the financials for. But if you see, you can start as small as 100 square feet also, go up to 300 square feet. And if your location, the property size is smaller, relatively proportionately जो आपकी investment है वो भी आपकी proportionately कम आ जाएगी, क्योंकि आपका इंटीरियर पे इन्वेस्टमेंट है, जो आपका स्टॉक है एक 100 स्क्वायर फीट के आउटलेट का स्टॉक, एंड स्टॉक which is required for a 300 square feet would vary. So whatever proportionate increment in the size of the property, आपका उतना ही आपका investment बढ़ेगा. So what this particular slide talks about is I'll start with clinic and retail format, where overall you require an area of 1200 square feet, and we are assuming it comes at a rental of 1,50,000 per month. अगर हम 1200 square feet का 1,50,000 रुपए का rent देखते हैं, this would translate to somewhere around 100-125 rupees per square feet kind of a rental. And the proposed investment for interiors is almost 15 odd lakhs, which is done by the investor. The company will give you the entire details, architectural designs of how these interior fit out has to be done, but a franchise partner can execute that at their end. So इसमें अगर आपको अपनी लोकेशन के हिसाब से कोई आपका जो लोकल कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है आपको कोई कॉस्ट बेनिफिट देता है तो that can happen, but 15 lakhs is the average investment that can go in putting up a therapy spa and clinic and also the pharmacy. Second is equipment, and these are some basic equipments which are required for setting up the clinic, which is about 2.15 lakhs. And typically ये जो equipment है आपका, these are basic, like आपका point of sales आपका हो गया है, आपका hardware हो गया है, software हो गया है. So typically these are some equipments which are required. We can even share with you a breakup of the entire equipment. Third is your therapy setup. This is almost about 5 lakhs. ये पूरा आपका therapy rooms होते हैं जो पूरे setup होते हैं. 5 lakhs is the investment towards that. And if you see, most of the investments is towards the stock. There is a stock of 7,60,000 which is required. And another is pre-opening. Pre-opening expense is about 2 lakhs. This is something which you don't have to give to the company. This is something that you retain with you. This can be a part of your launch. Money can be spent, any local marketing that you're doing at the time of launch. So 2 lakh रुपए जो है आपके launch के, this is something which you retain with you. You don't give that money to the company. And lastly जो आपका है ये आपका franchise fee का component है. So the company is charging 4 lakhs as a franchise fee. So overall, the investment for putting up a retail and a clinic is about 35 lakhs 75,000. Apart from this, इसके अलावा और भी expenses होते हैं, like for any retail outlet. So the company has also taken a deposit, जो आपका property deposit है. They have considered a deposit of almost 3 months का इन्होंने deposit इसमें consider किया है. That is about 4.5 lakh kind of a deposit. And below this you see WCR, that is working capital requirement. ये भी working capital वो होता है जो आपने retain करना है अपने पास. And typically जो working capital होती है, this can include your monthly expenses, जैसे आपका rent हो गया, आपका salary हो गया staff का, आपका electricity cost हो गया. So all that is included as a working capital, which the franchisor has advised that a franchisee should keep aside. And this has been put at a value of 11,25,000. ये पैसा अपने कंपनी को नहीं देना, but ये वर्किंग कैपिटल अपने आप पास रखेंगे आप, क्योंकि किसी भी बिजनेस को पहले 6 महीने में काफी टाइम लगता है to get your initial consumer base, and you have expenses in the initial months. So this money should be kept aside. If you look at this, then ideally जो आपके पास एक investment होना चाहिए, you should have at least about 51 odd lakhs, where 35 lakhs or 75,000 जो तकरीबन 36 lakhs आता है, ये आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका लग जाता है बिफोर द लॉन्च. एंड जो आपके वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको ऐड करके दिस कम्स टू अबाउट 51 odd lakhs. इसके अलावा जो आपका स्टॉक है, कंसल्टिंग फीस है, इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू, जो आप नीचे वाला आप सेगमेंट देख रहे हैं, दिस इज टिपिकली योर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस. जो ऊपर आपने देखा है, दिस इज द इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट वुड कम, एंड जो नीचे आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज टिपिकली द fee which the company charges. So consulting fee on an average is about 5,400 which the company charges. And जो आपका है, and medicines are pegged at about 22,800, and OTC and FMCG range है वो 12,300 का उन्होंने लगाया हुआ है. And there is another Ayurvedic therapy which is at about 7,200. We can again share a breakup of the entire heads with you to give you a better understanding of this breakup. And underneath you see cost of goods per month. जो भी आपका month का पूरा आपका सेल होता है, उसका एवरेज जो कॉस्ट होगा, that will be about 7.6 lakhs. 7.6 lakhs में आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन भी आता है, इसमें कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑल थेरेपी भी आता है. ऑल दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस. एंड देन इफ यू सी फर्दर, you have equipment. ये सारा आपका equipment का breakup है, which includes your hardware, software, camera, also maybe a power backup. So all that comes to 2,15,000. And ये आप रेफर कर सकते हैं. ऊपर जो इन्वेस्टमेंट स्प्लिट आपने देखा है उसमें आप ये रेफर कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे इक्विपमेंट के अगेंस्ट 2,15,000 लिखा हुआ है. दिस इज द ब्रेकअप ऑफ दैट. एंड ओवरऑल जो ये आपका है ब्रेकअप, this can be referred on this slide. On the right hand side, ये आपका retail format है. This retail format is only for a pharmacy store, which is 300 square feet of space. And यहाँ पे जो हमने rent assume किया हुआ है, that is about 60 rupees per square feet के हिसाब से. It should not go beyond 50,000 rupees. But अगर आपका area छोटा है, then your rental and also your investment comparatively would come down. And if you're looking at a structure of 300 square feet, 3 lakh आपका interior fit out पे जाता है, 1,50,000 is the cost on the equipment which is required, and equipment का cost आप नीचे देख सकते हैं breakup जो दिया हुआ है. Then further is the stock. If you look at the stock, ये सारा का सारा stock आपका medicines का stock है, which is given by the company at the time of opening. So ये 5,70,000 का आपका stock है जो company आपको देती है. Pre-opening का जो आपका investment है 1 लाख का है, ये again you will retain with you, you will not spend. And there's additional franchise fees of 2 lakhs which you see on the screen. So overall put together, ये जो investment है आपका तकरीबन आपका 13 lakhs is the investment. Apart from this, they've also taken your other investment, which includes your property deposit जो आप देंगे 1,50,000 का देंगे 3 महीने के हिसाब से. 3,75,000 is your working capital that you would retain. All this put together becomes 18,45,000 as your investment that you have to keep aside. So you can take a picture, and I understand you would need more information on this. And since we do not have the brand currently, we'll reach out to him and we'll set up your calls for getting one-to-one calls and discussions. And equally, I feel you should also have a breakup of entire medicine stock and also the margins which are available on each product. Next slide, please. So this is overall, while we've talked about the opportunity also in the beginning slide. So this slide basically talks about why an opportunity with the company can be beneficial. And we're talking about the evolving India opportunity. I think that is what I mentioned when I started off with the presentation. There's a big demand in the country for complementary alternative treatments. Even maybe I would say a lot of elderlies, millennials today, middle-aged people, everybody is going and taking these treatments which are alternate, because comparatively they don't have too much of side effects on your body. So this is a growing market. It's an opportunity to be leveraged. And the second strength which brand is proposing is the positioning of the company, where the company is leveraging on the experience of the people behind the legacy which the company has carried in these 40 years. And lastly is the strong franchise partner benefits, where you as a partner can leverage on the experience and expertise of the company in this industry. And also because they enjoy a leadership position, the people behind all that benefit will be passed on to the prospective partners. And the company is also saying they have a competitive advantage over the others, because this has come through a lot of research which the company has done in the last many years. So what they're proposing is they have high growth prospects in the industry, and you have possibility of options from the two formats which we had showcased. Next slide. So this is the current focus rollout plan which the company is proposing, where the company would want to go through a cluster approach. And like I mentioned, most of their outlets, all the 70 outlets which are currently operating, are all in south of India. So if you look at the expansion, so it's predominantly south dominated, and some parts of Maharashtra are also there. So if I talk about Hyderabad, Telangana, South Telangana, Hyderabad and Warangal are two important cities where they want to penetrate. AP, they have 4 cities, which includes Tirupati, Vijayawada, Guntur, and Visakhapatnam. Tamil Nadu, they have selected these 6 cities, which includes the main city, Chennai, followed by Coimbatore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Tirupur, Salem, and Erode. And Kerala is a very, very big market for Ayurveda. And these are 3 cities which they have picked up, which includes Kozhikode, Kochi, and Thiruvananthapuram. Karnataka has 4 cities selected, which includes Bangalore, Hubli, Mysore, and Mangalore. And lastly is Maharashtra. Maharashtra, they have selected only tier 1 and 1 city, which is Nagpur. And these cities have been selected because currently brand has penetration in these locations. There is a big recall of the product. They already have a subscriber base in these locations. So it is easier for brand both from, I would say, the potential viewpoint and also from supply viewpoint. And third, I would say from brand positioning viewpoint, which makes it easy for a company to enter these markets. Next slide, please. So friends, this is what the opportunity is all about. And I'm sure you might have a lot of questions, and because, you know, we're not the brand ourselves and we took this opportunity of presenting you the franchise proposal. We'll also have the brand coming in. If you want to know more information about the business model, we can have one-on-one discussion. Maybe quickly, I'll take the questions which I'm seeing. I'm sorry, I did not read the questions prior. So we have Mr. Venkata Rajesh asking, do the franchise partner should have Ayurvedic knowledge or not necessary? So Venkatji, it is not necessary for you to have any knowledge of Ayurveda. It is not important at all. And the company takes care of the entire training. Sara training company handle karegi. Rather, we will even speak to them because they have their outlets. And if the situation gets better, you can also be trained at one of the existing centers and outlets of the brand. Having said that, the company will also train the therapist personnel at the outlet. जो भी outlet के ऊपर लोग होंगे, therapist होंगे, even OTC के लिए, FMCG product sale के लिए, all that training is given by the company. The company will have SOPs, standard operating processes है company के जो आपको दिए जाएंगे. You will follow those processes. And practical training, typically, I'm assuming this should be anything between a week to 15 days का training typically company का होता है. And वो सारी training एक franchise partner को impart की जाएगी. And the company will also work with your staff for training. And we have Mr. Kaushik Malik asking, can we only have an online store for standalone pharmacy? Kaushik ji, that might not be possible because that is already being done by the company. They already have an online rather omni channel presence. उनके 70 stores already run करते हैं all across the regions जो उनके roll out है. So doing all by yourself only online will not make too much of a value proposition. If you want to start small, maybe you can start with 100 square feet of an outlet and integrate that with the online. And typically how companies work online, जो भी inquiries उनके system में आती हैं, they integrate that with the local partner. You know, जहाँ पे भी आपका store है, pin code के हिसाब से या city के हिसाब से, as per the company's policy, जो भी online demand आती है वो directly उस store को integrate हो जाती है. That's how it happens in a online model. Okay, then I'll take a question from Ms. Hema Lata. She's asking about the investment. Hema ji, I hope we've been able to answer that. We have taken. And we have a question from Mr. Kiran Gundla asking, does the investment change if we choose second tier cities or towns? So Kiran ji, I'll take maybe an example. Not only for this company, but जो भी investment होती है, investment broadly has, I would say, 3 broad components होते हैं किसी भी investment के लिए. एक investment होता है आपका जो होता है आपका infrastructure के ऊपर, interiors के ऊपर, जो company capex बोलती है, जिसमें आपका interior होता है, आपका फर्नीचर होता है, आपका बेसिक प्लम्बिंग वर्क होता है, HVAC होता है, उसको आप इंटीरियर में डालते हैं. सो इसमें कंपनी से करती है, मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज वो आपको गाइडलाइंस देती हैं, आप एक लोकल कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के थ्रू उसको एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. सो ये वाला जो पैसा है आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट केपेक्स पे जाता है, ये थोड़ा बहुत वेरी कर सकता है, स्पेशली फॉर अ टियर 2 आपका जो कॉस्ट होता है वो कंपैरेटिवली कम हो जाता है. सो उसमें थोड़ा बहुत आपको डिफरेंस आपको मिल सकता है इन्वेस्टमेंट में. फ्रेंचाइज फीस स्टैंडर्ड, तो मोस्टली कंपनीज फ्रेंचाइज फीस चेंज नहीं करती हैं, चाहे वो टियर 1 है, 2 है, इट रिमेन सेम. एंड जो थर्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका होता है वो स्टॉक की तरफ होता है, यू नो. सो स्टॉक का जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है दैट इज ऑल्सो प्रोपोर्शनेट टू द साइज एंड द अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर आपके आउटलेट पे स्टॉक नहीं होगा तो आपकी सेल नहीं होगी, आपका स्टॉक का रोटेशन नहीं होगा. सो वी ऑलवेज एडवाइज कि किसी भी बिजनेस में स्टॉक डालना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. I remember I was talking to a company yesterday rather, and we were franchising this company. It's not a pharma company, it's a retail brand. And during the pandemic, you know, last year they changed their business model. वो 8 लाख का मॉडल एक लेके आए थे. And somehow, you know, while they launched that model, I think they even operated some of these stores, but eventually वो मॉडल चल नहीं पाया क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट उनको कम की. बट इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर कम होती है आपका स्टॉक कम हो जाता है. जैसे ही इन्वेंट्री कम होती है आउटलेट के ऊपर आपका कस्टमर आना बंद हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू मच ऑफ इन्वेंट्री टू बी शोकेस्ड. एंड नाउ दैट कंपनी सेइंग वी आर कमिंग बैक टू ओल्डर मॉडल, बिकॉज 8 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट में आई कैन नॉट कीप इनफ स्टॉक एट दी आउटलेट. तो वो स्टॉक का रोटेशन नहीं होता है. अगर आप कभी भी बिजनेस में आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, एक चीज पे कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत कीजिए. स्टॉक इज समथिंग विच इज दी आई वुड से यू नो द हार्ट ऑफ योर बिजनेस. अगर आप स्टॉक कम करते हैं तो आपका जो प्रोपोर्शन है या स्टॉक रोटेशन है वो उसी हिसाब से कम हो जाता है. इवन एज अ कंज्यूमर वी लाइक गोइंग टू आउटलेट्स विच आर फुल, जहाँ पे इन्वेंट्री अच्छी हो, सारे शेल्स आपके भरे हो. अगर आप इन्वेंट्री कम करेंगे आपकी सेल्स के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा इफेक्ट होता है. सो नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन द स्टॉक, बट कंपनीज हैव वेरी गुड पॉलिसीज. मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज जो स्टॉक देती हैं, सम कंपनीज हैव एसआर पॉलिसी, आप सेल करिए रिटर्न कीजिए. कंपनीज ऑल्सो गिव यू अ पॉलिसी ऑफ स्टॉक करेक्शन. स्टॉक करेक्शन करती है, अगर आपका कोई भी स्लो मूविंग स्टॉक है तो वापस लेती है, रिप्लेस करती है फास्ट मूविंग स्टॉक से. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द फार्मा कंपनीज, अगर आपका एक्सपायर भी होने वाला है, मे बी दे टेक द इंटायर प्रोडक्ट एंड दे रिप्लेस. सो बहुत सारी ऐसी flexibilities hai which the company gives you. Okay, I'll take a question from Miss Priyanka Agarwal. Franchise fees will be for year to year or it is when Priyanka ji, ये जो franchise fees होती है ये agreement term के लिए होती है. जितना भी आपका बड़ा एग्रीमेंट टर्म होता है, आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट इज अ 5-year टर्म ऑफ द एग्रीमेंट फॉर बोथ ऑफ द फॉर्मेट. तो जो भी आपका फ्रेंचाइज फीस है 5 साल के लिए है. नॉर्मली कंपनीज अगर आगे रिन्यू करती हैं अपने एग्रीमेंट्स तो वो या तो एक फी पे एग्री कर सकती है आपके साथ, एंड समटाइम्स दे इवन गिव यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. I will not comment what the policy of this company is, but जो भी franchise fees आपकी होती है वो one time fee होती है for the contract period. I hope that answers. And sure, Venkataji, you've asked on the product catalog for both FMCG and OTC. We'll send that across to you. Product list and price margins. This is very important. Unfortunately, I don't have an access to the pricing and the margins at this point in time, but that's a very important point. And we'll have the entire catalog shared with you. जो भी pricing है हर एक product की वो हम आपसे share करेंगे. And rather, what I'm suggesting is we'll check with the the founder of the company on maybe a time, जो भी अगले हफ्ते एक भी दिन जो आप सब लोग लिए convenient है, brand लिए convenient है, we can block one day जहाँ पे हम आपका आधा पौना घंटा session आपके साथ block कर सकते हैं. And maybe he can run you through some of the important business aspects including the catalog. But before we do that, जो भी information आप मांग रहे हैं, all that information we'll pass on to all our investors who have come today. So friends, while we apologize, the brand could not come, but we never wanted to lose this opportunity of presenting the brand to you. Unfortunately, he was at a cremation and we could not have disturbed him. So next week, after discussing with the company, we'll come back to you. जो भी आपके questions हैं, जितने भी हम answer कर पाएंगे, information आपको दे पाएंगे, we'll send it to you. And our teams will get in touch with you, share a time and fix up a call in the coming week. So friends, without taking more time, I thank all of you, and I will also request Ashna now to take over on the events that we're doing in the day. We're already at 12:45, so we'll conclude the presentation. And there are 2 more events for the day and tomorrow, which I will request Ashna to inform all of you. You can again register on the website or Facebook page of Franchise India Brands. And if we have the link handy, we can put that in the chat box. Over to you, Ashna.
Sure. So thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for presenting this particular business model. We'll try to maximize the day with when Dr. Ranjit will join us. And we would like to thank all the dear participants who have joined us today. Just allow, Sonia ma'am, just allow me 1 minute to share my screen. Ma'am, before I share my screen, would you like to talk about Bharat Franchise Show? I'm facing some problem. Just allow me 1 minute.
Okay. So friends, I think while we wait for Ashna to put that, so we have 2 important events today and tomorrow. So it's a Bharat Franchise Show. ये initiative हमने 1 June को शुरू किया था. Bharat Franchise Show में ये 100 days का हमारा शो है जो 1 June से लेके हमारा I would say August and maybe a few days beyond August तक जाएगा. ये हर रोज ये वाला शो हमारा हर सिटी में आता है. We've already done 12 editions of the show and we have kind of covered almost every main city in the country. And today we are coming to your city in the evening. ये जो हमारा event है हर शाम को 7 बजे से 8:30 बजे के बीच में रहता है. This is a 1.5 hour to about 2 hours it takes for us to conclude the show. And we also have I'm sorry, is this something different? आपने क्या? I think I'm sorry, I'm missing. This is weekend event of today. Actually, this is 13th. I think there's something wrong on this. Is it 2 events that you've put on left and right? Today is 13th. आपने East India लिखा हुआ है. So friend, there's a mistake.
Yeah, so under Bharat Franchise Show, we invite for weekend, we take a one region and then we invite the team. So today is our East India under Bharat Franchise Show.
So we're doing we're doing East India today. We're not coming to a specific city, so we're considering the entire city today. This is 7 to 8:30, and there are about 12 opportunities for East India that we'll bring to you. And we have some interesting brands that you can see. And if you look at some of the companies and the logos, we have GeoBP, which is a opportunity to own a petrol pump. We also have a company called Eurocan. This is into study abroad. They're looking at partners, and they also bringing a very good opportunity which can start from home. So a lot of consultation today can be done from home. And as and when the franchise partner markets open, they can even go to a physical setup. And we also have our sponsor company called HX Cart. This is a company which is into refurbished goods. So जितने भी आपके gadgets हैं, mobiles हैं, this is a master franchise opportunity where the company will give you city rights. अगर आप कैलकाटा का लेना चाहते हैं or anywhere in the country, if you want city rights, they will offer that. So 12 opportunities हम भारत शो में लेके आएंगे आज शाम को. ईस्ट इंडिया में हम ये इवेंट कर रहे हैं. 12 brands हमारे आएंगे. And yeah, this is pretty much about the event. And Ashna, if you can talk about the show that we're doing tomorrow and other information.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for inviting all the investors for our Bharat Franchise Show. Today we are doing East India Show. Dear friends, thank you so much for joining us today. Please save our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838 in your phone book so that you get a regular updates from our side. Also connect with us at different social platforms. Information on your screen. Your valuable suggestion and feedback will help us in improving the process. Do connect with Sonia ma'am and Gaurav sir at their respective LinkedIn IDs. And yes, as invited by Sonia ma'am, please join us for our East India Show under Bharat Franchise Weekend Series, which will start at 7 p.m. Do registration at the hotline number. We have also shared the link in chat box. You can save that particular number, copy that particular link, and you can register yourself. You can also visit us at the Facebook page. We have shared the link over there also. And under Business Opportunity of a Chai webinar series, tomorrow we want to invite you to join us for the Pan Studio. The brand will come and talk about their different model they are offering. They are open for master as well as unit franchise. So team would come and talk about this opportunity. Do registration for our Bharat Franchise Show, which will start at 7 p.m. And tomorrow, Business Opportunity of a Chai webinar series, 12 p.m. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Look forward to have you in our 7 p.m. show. Thank you so much.